Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're going to learn about solving inequalities. We solve each inequality and graph its solution. So, if I was given this inequality, -6 times 1 plus 6x is less than 6 times 1 minus 5x. Okay? Well, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute both sides, right? So distribute the -6 across here on the left. -6 times 1 is a -6, and -6 times a positive 6x is a -36x. That's less than, again, distribute here, 6 times 1 is 6. All right, this one's a positive 6, and 6 times a -5x is a -30x. Okay? So what we want to do is bring our numbers together and our letters together. So at this point, let's go add a 30x to both sides. Why not? And I add a 6 to both sides. -36x plus 30x is a -6x, and that's less than, well, 6 plus 6 is 12. So now I just have to get x by itself. So I divide by a -6 to both sides, and be careful here. Okay, we're divided by a -6, we're left with x by itself. But since we're divided by a negative over the inequality, we flip the sign. Less than becomes a greater than sign. So if x is greater than, 12 divided by -6, which is a -2. So we have x is greater than -2 here, so let's go graph that. Let's go put a 0 here, 1, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so if x is greater than a -2, we have an open circle at -2, but not equal to, right? Since it's not equal to, leave it an open circle. Then we shade to the right because x is greater than -2. So we shade to the right here. And there we have it, our final answer. So let's recap. We're given -6 times, in parentheses, 1 plus 6x is less than 6 times, in parentheses, 1 minus 5x. I distributed the -6 across here and the positive 6 across there. Then I brought all my numbers together to the left, and my letters to the left and my numbers to the right. Then when I divided by a -6 to both sides, I had to flip the inequality, right, from a less than to a greater than sign, and we're left with x being greater than -2. We have an open circle at -2 because it is not equal to -2, and since it's just greater than, we shade to the right, and there we have our final answer of x is greater than -2.